get your coffee. It's gonna be a short one.
Well, Amazon got me again, but for 13 bucks, I figure I'd give it a shot.
So this is what I purchased. It's what showed up. I think it was 13 bucks. And it's about the world's cheapest little middle cage. It's supposed to protect this reservoir here. So for this job, it's gonna be super simple. All you need is a T30 for that one bolt. Just gonna remove it. Take your cage. That's it. That was way too quick. Enjoy your morning.
Honestly, if you're on the fence, I don't know. I think it looks pretty good. It may be fixing a problem, it may not. I don't know. But for 13 bucks, give it a shot. Hey, I really appreciate you watching this video all the way to the end. Thank you. It means a lot to me. See you next time.